Today, I'll walk you through how to create a multiple destinations route planner in Google Maps, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to plan a route with multiple stops, so you can save time and make your travel more efficient. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once there, look for the app's icon, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various Google services. Next, select the Maps option from this menu. Google Maps is a powerful tool that can help you navigate your way through any journey. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The layout may vary depending on updates or your device. Now that you're in Google Maps, look for the Directions button. This is typically represented by a blue arrow icon. Click on it. This will prompt you to enter your starting point and your first destination. Once you have your starting point set, it's time to add your desired destination. Click on the search bar and type in the address or name of the location you want to reach. After entering the information, hit enter or click on the search icon. This will display the location on the map. Next, you can add your next destination. Look for the option that says Add Destination or a plus sign. Click on it. This allows you to input another stop along your route. Simply type in the address of your next location and hit enter again. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. Google Maps allows you to add multiple destinations, making it easy to plan a comprehensive route. Just keep clicking Add Destination and entering the addresses of each stop along your journey. Once you have entered all your destinations, review your route. You can drag and drop the destinations to rearrange them if needed. This flexibility allows you to customize your travel plan according to your preferences. Finally, when you're satisfied with your route, click on the Start button to begin navigation. Google Maps will guide you through each destination, providing real-time directions and updates. And there you have it. You now know how to create a multiple destinations route planner in Google Maps. This feature is incredibly useful for road trips, errands, or any travel that requires multiple stops. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.